Today we'll be creating a text with a transparent background. This can be your channel's name or anything, any text you want. So let's get started. So for that, go to your web browser and type in canva.com. And then click on anything, but I like to do it with Instagram post. So click on Instagram post. And here, if you want, you can add a background, a plain background color. So I am going to do that. I'm just gonna add this color and then go to text. You can use any font you want. So I'm just gonna add a heading. You can change the font. You can change the color of the text as well. Maybe this one. Oops, typing mistake. And you can make it a diagonal if you want. You can move it. No point in moving around, but you can rotate it. Just gonna do that like that. And then you can change the color of the text as I told, but I'm not gonna do that. And you can download that. So after you have downloaded it, take a new tab and type in remove PG. So I've got that. Upload an image. There it is. And it will automatically remove the background for us. So there we have it. Click on download and you have downloaded it. So I'll just pop the text in somewhere over the screen so that you can see that it has a transparent background. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.